How to disable duet option for all videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and among the pop-up that you get, select on settings and privacy. As a select on settings and privacy, here you can select on privacy option. As a select on privacy, make sure that your account is not private account because the option of disabling the duet option for your videos on TikTok is not available for private accounts. So you need to have a public account. After that, simply scroll down and here you can see the option of reuse of content. So simply tap on reuse of content and here tap on allow reuse of content from. So select on that and here you can only select on only you. So as a select on only you, you'll be able to disable the duet option for all the videos on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.